This is a 400 by 300 refractive LCD, 1 bit per pixel, no gray, no backlight. It's running 8 sorting algorithms and every one of them gets the exact same 96 numbers. A bar height is the value, the shading behind the bars is the range the algorithm is working on, and the values is touching this step. The ribbon underneath fills in as elements reach their final position. Bubble sort only swaps neighbors, so it takes around 9,000 operations to get there. Insertion sort grows a solid prefix, fewer comparisons, some quadratic cost. Selection sort makes the opposite trade. Always exactly 4,560 comparisons, but under 200 writes. Listen to it, it barely moves anything. Now the fast ones. Share sort is insertion sort over shrinking gaps. Watch it copy out and merge back. Merge sort guarantees analog but needs a second buffer. Quick sort works in place with no extra memory and stays fast only because it picks a medium pivot. Heap sort, same guarantee, no extra memory. Radix sort never compares anything, it buckets by digit for passes 384 operations. Same data, same counter. Bubble sort needed around 23 times what Radix did. You don't need the numbers to see it.